Hi and good afternoon. My name is John Prescott, Master Faculty and husband to Holly Prescott. I am very excited. I am coming to your Market Center. Thank you to your leadership, by the way, and I will be teaching career visioning. Now, you may be asking, what is career visioning? Well, here's the thing. Mark Willis, our CEO and president, has said he's took it 16 times in the first year and a half that it came out. Now, what is career visioning actually about? Why would Mark Willis take it 16 times? It's all about getting in relationships with people. In other words, somebody you're going to hire, somebody you're in business with. It could be even your family members. And that's what I'm going to walk you through. I'm going to walk you through how to get in better relationships with people by using the career visioning process. So I look forward to seeing you in your Market Center. Now, don't miss it. If it's that important to the leadership of our company, like Gary Keller and Mark Willis, it should be important to you. I look forward to seeing you soon.